Previously on our channel where you click on. Me call when I'm on them now. And see what go on. First question is, how do you make the number one disappear? How do you make the number one disappear? How do you make the number one disappear? How you make the number one disappear?
Yeah, -1.
If you say it's not.
Is that right?
No.
What? Number one disappear.
Yeah.
How do you make the number one disappear? Oh, you minus it by 0.
See, the thing is, it's not like the digit itself. It's like the word, like it's spelled out. So that's not alright.
So erase it. Erase number one.
That not go either. It's a pen. You write it with.
Mommy. Yeah. Oh, you make the number one disappear.
What is long, hard, and have come in it? What is long, hard, and has come in it?
Cucumber. What?
Answer this question, right? What is long, hard, and has come in it?
First thing I talk about clear with me, now I talk about long.
Anyways, next question. What is long, hard, and has come in it?
Competition. Yo! That is long, hard, and has come in it. See?
Oh boy, this shit. Bitch, I'm sipping on potions. No, bitch, I'm told in this circuit, you got me gone. Send that Addy and we on over Addy. Bitch, I'm toning. Going slow motion.
That is long, hard, and has come in it. CK.
What is, bro? What is long, hard, and has come in it, bro?
Naldo. Jervin.
Hey, you write us how I watch your video. I watch Mark do free. Make sure you tune in later and not later. I want me to post it. Not one time this I post. Make sure you tune in to Vibe Station on me. I do that send you with them. Wanna see if them done. So a cowboy rode white into town on Friday. And stay in town for 3 days and ride out white on Friday. How that possible? A cowboy rode into town white on Friday. Spent 3 days and rode back out on Friday. Why? How that possible?
He's been at home for 3 days.
Yeah, and fall in town on a Friday, you see?
And him left on a Friday.
Yeah, but he spent 3 days.
You don't know that working, sir.
Wait, the sex off watch me, the man them see it. Why they thinking?
3 days, if you get 5 on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
And you left on Friday. I 7 days a week, so well, I'm gonna try to break it though, cause man, where you get him from, brother? Him do what?
He rode into town on Friday. You have no dance friend around you? Clouds are you one.
A cowboy.
Rode into town on Friday. Wipe on the ride. And he turned for 3 days. And ride out and ride back out on Friday. How that works? Explain the root of the fruit of the equilibrium of the mathematical equations of the chemistry of the biology of the social study of degree.
Shut up your mouth, man.
You there in a town? For 3 days. That not sound funny and like that not sound like sus like dog. It feel like straight up Christians, but it just me know say I'm
Alright, so he rode into town on Friday, spent 3 days, and ride back out on Friday. Why? How is that possible?
I don't know that neither. What the hell?
The horse team Friday, dog.
Is screen pause I can't see me.
You can't see me, man.
Oh, okay, alright.
You think you look dunce for no reason?
The cowboy Begley donkey going to town for Friday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Him stand there for 3 days. Beg back out again for Friday.
Yeah, said donkey.
Fanny said donkey.
Yeah, said jackass.
Then the f***ing donkey no name Friday.
Lance, you're smart.
You didn't town for 3 days.
Yeah.
And you left back the state day. No, you never said that. You said you reach Friday and you left Friday.
Yeah, but you spent 3
That's
days.
all the information you know about that. And then you said 3 days stay there. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. How the f***?
Tell me when they give up, you know.
Give up, brother, because I want to ask my mother, but I don't want
No, ask her. What you want me to say? Ask mommy.
I don't want my mother to hear that too, brother. Yo, mommy. Jonathan, alright? Mommy, watch it, man. If you didn't want to.
Tell her. One cowboy, father one town on Friday.
On a Friday.
He spend 3 days.
And him spend 3 days.
And ride back out on a Friday.
And him ride back out on a Friday.
How that work?
Like,
Yanni cowboy and jackass.
The answer was the cowboy horse named Friday.
wait, what?
The cowboy, also the cowboy riding van. Why?
Yeah.
Name Friday. What building has the most stories? Look, what building has the most stories? Think about that when we set up.
He built it when 9/11, they built it when, which one that? The Great World Trade Center. And that.
Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. No,
sorry. Alright.
You funny, still, but. Now ask a simple question, alright? Which building has the most stories?
Dog, you all have me my hat, brother. You make me like sweat, brother. Watch out, man. You get a sweat that dog. Start from me, brother. Tell me what's that.
Alright, watch. I'm going to give you a clear representative. Watch. Which building has the most stories? You make my camera see? You see. Stories.
Which building have the most stories?
Stories
About a book. You don't have to say. You don't have to explain that. You never tell me. Me, I figure that out by myself. The story meaning a book. The Bible. What? Hold on.
What building has the most stories?
Which building has the most, look, watch my and them, stories?
Which building have the most stories? Now the hard. When I think though, which building
Think you
the most stories? Oh, school building.
close.
Wait. Are the biggest woman know dictionary? Oh, dog.
Bad man, which building have the most stories?
Building. What the? The dictionary? I dictionary. We give up.
Dog,
We give up.
it's when is the dictionary a fucking building, brother? Claude.
No, brother.
Oh, well, the 5 minutes not even pass good any man ball say him not know. Jaja, if your mother watch this is what she wasted her school money saying. How which school you go? How which school you going there,
Which
yard?
building has the most stories, brother?
Yeah.
I'm to know that.
Say if you camera, how which school is you go? Where there, yard?
High school musical.
Me believe you. Me believe you too.
Library.
At this point, yo.
And then me and gonna one day I see outside. Not clean, yeah.
It's a building, cause you see me house? You see house? Let me show you house across the street. You see house? A building.
Alright.
One place I make pan ground.
Yeah. As the most stories. Me no know.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the struggles of millennials. Because dog, I want library cause.
Eh?
I want library cause.
Dog. You see that now?
I say you are done to school in a dog.
I got a library, brother. I got a library. Nah, I joke. I got a library sometime, but nah, more. Isn't me? I think about say yo. You say stories, so me I think about a book. Isn't me? I say yo.
So if me say building, right? And me say this building has the most stories, I'm gonna show you a book. Me just give you answer right there, so.
That's funny. But when I think say something else still, isn't me? Cause you say stories, so me I say, I think, alright, Bible story or Bible. You see me? I think about something. Come on,
You know, I don't know. You ain't heard it today. You ain't heard it today. Oh God. Mark, think about the question me give you now, Mark.
Brother.
Mark, I get it that you're dunce, Mark. But this is beyond dunce, Mark.
Side story.
What?
Huh? Yo.
Who's dog? I want to meet for you, Mark. Because
Yeah, the question too puzzling for my brother. Next.
we get that dog, but still you have to think about it, brother.
Which building has the most stories?
Cause bro, if I call the next man what done scenario and then get it right, you know say f you on.
What that, brother?
Dog, a library dog.
Whoa. That's a bit tough.
Alright, question 10 is
Yeah.
bring the laptop close so I know I'm not saying fuck you. You play with me every night before bed. You get caught fiddling with me at work, and you let a select few touch me. What am I? Would you like me to read it in patois for you?
No, go on again.
You play with me every night before you go to bed. You get caught a figgle with me at work, and you let a select few touch me. Miawa. You play with me every night before bed. You get caught fiddling. You get caught.
Continue question. Come like that one.
You get caught fiddling with me at work, and you let a select few touch me. What am I?
Oh, one.
Back to you now. You say now.
Yo, brother. How you come up with that question, brother?
Don't worry about that, dog. Answer the question, dog.
One.
So you feel good woman when you there at work?
Huh?
Dude, what going on in your life, dog? Want to live your life, brother.
Why am I not doing
First
that?
but wait, you have a woman in your bed every night?
I did the answer.
But you're living large. Wait.
Wait.
No, cuz.
Oh.
But if it's a woman you have a in your bed every night, what live like you? Every night I me pillar them.
Dildo.
But I say my phone.
Oh, you say your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Oh. See, yeah. Brother, what the fuck?
But I swear, it's a woman, the man say, Mr. Wait.
How's your phone?
Someone can play deal at night time?
Not every night.
That not play. Mark not play. Mark not play. Mark not play. Mark. Here, Mark calling back. No, because they're good. Don't even write that up.
Yo, another sheet, brother.
How you bring your sheet go work, Mark?
Well, where I work, I can bring my sheet.
Dog. Dog, it's your phone. It's your phone.
My phone upload me like.
See, you sure you don't want to take the bonus question, yeah?
Alright, go on.
Yeah, that's how I'm starting. What starts long, but the more it stands, the shorter it grows.
Hey, what?
What starts long, but the more it stands, the shorter it grows.
It start long, but the more it's thin, it's sharp.
Turn up. The more it turn up, the
Yeah.
shorter it grows.
I know me would. It could have never been me would. So me have to find on it. Hold on. Now find on next answer.
You can still look in a boy, you know. You that think about some nasty fuckery, you know, you.
Now, man, they think about everything in the world is staying, brother.
We are talking about staying, brother. Wait, hey, bro.
Hold on. What the question again? Right.
What starts long, but the more it stands, the shorter it grows.
I think it's a staying. The more it stand, the more it stand, the shorter it grow. What's that long? Jesus Christ. That bonus question, brother, man.
Yeah, man. If you want the answer, just make I know.
When I work in the money, be there, yo, you just sit there and just look up questions.
Let me know, you know.
My years of life to bombard.
Let me know, you know. Yes, 10 seconds for your answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That round.
All I'm going to do is now go and stay, you know. The one saying, I'll go with them, get them. The answer was a candle. Yeah, Bernard, back and I say yes.
The more it turn up,
Short I get.
the short I get.
Yeah.
I want spliff. No?
You ever see one fucking split for turn up, Lanzo? You ever see one split for turn up?
In.
Nothing in your mouth. Wipe on that still.
Oh, me give up on that.
But you're close with the spliff. With the idea of the spliff, you're close.
Oh,
Yeah,
one
you know.
candle.
Pump clearance.
Oh my god.
Lanzo, undefeated. Lanzo, undefeated.
Oh
Lanzo,
my God.
undefeated. That youth are undefeated. That youth are
Oh my
smart.
god.
You say, them youth are right so, them mother don't waste no money and send them go to school.
I'm telling you.
Except on Friday. Fucking idiot. You look a dirty boy, yo. You're a dirty piece of shit. That's what you are. So out of 11 questions, you get phone and you get how do you get again? Phone hour.
I don't even know that.
You get phone and 57.
Me should have dropped out. Me too bright for in school. Me should have dropped out. No job.
Oh god. You're graduate 30, right?
So this I can't tell the people in that way that I beg to get me left in school come there. I'm left by default.
Okay.
Never graduated. I left by default.
Much I know, no? So far, out of the 3 of Uno, what me do this with, yeah man, you have brain cells, you have the most brain cells still.
Yeah, I'm smart, man. I'm telling you, I'm smart, you know, dog.
Yeah,
Intellectual, don't smart boy, you know.
Yeah man, keep on doing drugs here.
No joke.
Yeah man, do drugs kids. Yeah, man. Do drugs.
No, you have to do it.
So I always say credit from Jose Marty.
Yeah, watching them never got school, brother. Don't tell nobody that. You ask money, brother. Ask money and ask Mac.
Me I go, hey. Right now as we speak, the clip them must switch back and forth with me and Mac. So right now, me I go call Mac. But like respect for you using the participation. Yeah.
Don't know the vibes, you see me, go subscribe to my boom, you see me, drop bangers every day, you see me, and go subscribe to Mac, you see me, the girl them snap, they don't know, the boy they use it, go subscribe, bow.
Not it. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell, DWIZ'S is done.